In the heart of Renaissance Italy, the year was 1537. The grand city of Florence, home to the renowned Medici family, buzzed with art, music, and culinary delights. Catherine de Medici, the youngest daughter of Lorenzo II de Medici, was about to embark on a journey that would forever change the course of European cuisine. Catherine was no ordinary woman. Born into a family of intellectuals and artists, she was schooled in the arts, sciences, and politics. Yet, her true passion lay in the kitchen. She was fascinated by the flavors of her homeland, the spices from the East, and the delicate art of French cooking. However, Catherine's world was about to be turned upside down. In 1539, her husband, Henry II of France, ascended to the throne. Catherine, now a queen, found herself in a foreign land, where the cuisine was vastly different from her beloved Florence. The French cuisine of the time was simple and rustic, dominated by meats, breads, and cheeses. But Catherine, with her Italian palate and refined taste, saw an opportunity to introduce a culinary revolution. She brought with her a team of Italian chefs and a vast collection of exotic spices, including saffron, nutmeg, and cinnamon. She introduced the French to pasta, risotto, and a variety of dishes that were unheard of in the French court. The court was initially skeptical of these foreign flavors. The elaborate dishes, with their intricate presentation and complex flavors, were a stark contrast to the simple, rustic meals they were accustomed to. But Catherine was undeterred. She hosted grand feasts, serving these exotic dishes to the nobility. She educated them about the flavors, the preparation, and the history of each dish. Slowly, but surely, the French began to appreciate the elegance and sophistication of Italian cuisine. The culinary revolution spread beyond the French court. Catherine's influence reached the kitchens of the aristocracy, and soon, the whole of France was swept up in this gastronomic transformation. The consequence of Catherine's efforts was far-reaching. She not only introduced the French to a new world of flavors but also laid the foundation for haute cuisine. Her legacy lives on, with the French culinary artistry influencing cuisines across the globe. Catherine de Medici's culinary revolution was a testament to her passion, her persistence, and her vision. She proved that food was more than just sustenance. It was a means to bring people together, to celebrate life, and to express artistry. Her story serves as a reminder that sometimes, the most profound changes can come from the most unexpected sources.